Today, we're diving into the world of budget smartphones with an epic showdown between two Cubot giants, the P80 and the Note 21. Both promise incredible features at unbelievable prices. Stick around as we dissect these devices to help you decide which one suits your needs. Round 1. Pricing and design. Cubot P80, price $120. Glass front and back with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, slim bar design. Massive 6.583-inch FHD Plus screen. Cubot Note 21, price $8.9. Water drop screen design. Elegance unveiled with vibrant color options. Immersive 6.56-inch HD Plus IPS display with a 90 Hz refresh rate. Verdict: Cubot Note 21 takes the lead in pricing, offering an immersive display with a refreshing design. Round 2. Performance and storage. Cubot P80, octa-core CPU, mount 8788 VRWAS, 16GB RAM, 8GB plus 8GB extended, mighty 5200 mAh battery. Cubot Note 21, octa-core processor, 6GB RAM. Equally robust 5000 to 100 mAh battery. Verdict: both devices offer strong performance and ample battery life, making it a draw in this round. Round 3. Camera capabilities. Cubot P80, triple rear cameras, 4.8MP main lens, 2MP macro lens, 0.3MP photosensitive lens, 2.4MP AI beauty selfie camera. Cubot Note 21, dual rear cameras, 5.0MP PDAF camera, 2MP macro camera, 8MP front camera. Verdict: Cubot P80 comes with a variety of lenses, while Note 21 offers a higher megapixel count in the front camera. Round 4. Operating system and features. Cubot P80, latest stock Android 1.3 NFC, fingerprint, Bluetooth 4.2, dual 4G network, OTG. Cubot Note 21, Android 1.3 BLUETOOTH 5.0, proximity. Accelerometer, magnetic, OGG face recognition. Verdict: both run on the latest Android 13. But P80 boasts additional features like an FC and dual 4. Round 5. Connectivity and storage expandability. Cubot P80, global network compatibility, stores TF card up to 1TB extended. Cubot Note 21, dual SIM mastery with TF card support up to 1TB. Verdict: both devices offer versatile connectivity options and impressive storage expandability.